Hello everyone, my name is Anand Kumar Jha and you are watching Code with Anand. So in the previous video we talked about different kinds of data type. In this video we are also going to continue with one special data type which is known as big list. And you always interact with big list when you are filling some kinds in any kind of form where they ask about your country or your state. There you see one drop down menu. So in this Salesforce, checklist is similar as drop down menu. If anyone asks you about the definition of big list, then you can say that the Salesforce big list is a menu consisting of a field or a value set that allow users to pick an option from the predefined list of values. Or you can say that the pick list field let you to choose a value from the predefined list. Or let's see about what kind of pick list and how to use them, when to use them, and how many types of pick list are available in the Salesforce. So without any delay, just launch in our application. So I'm going to create data fields known as choose state and choose district and choose country. So for teachers field, so at that time for we need to use a pick list data type. So let's see through this practical. Or just wait a sec. I will also tell you that which trailhead module is useful to understand this list concept. So I will tell you after this video. So just go to the setup because I need to create a field, state field or country field for teacher object, so that I should go to the object manager and then I will create fields for that. So let's go to the object manager. It's taking time because network is little bit slow here. So I'm in the setup menu. Here I need to select from object manager, and then because we are going to create a pick list for fields for teachers, so just type here teacher 1 and you will get your object. Just click on here and on field on relationship. What we are going to create, we are going to create a select your country. So for this field, just click on new. It asks to enter your label of your field. Label means just simply name of your field. uh, just wait for that to enter. So let's know about the pick list. Like when we are using pick list are used. We are going to use pick list when we have to select one value from the many values. You understand that the pick list are the menus that expand to users to give choice. I'm sure that you have some pick list and probably even created few by now. So just see here. Different kinds of data type are appears here, but we need to select pick list. And you know that there are two kinds of pick list. One are simple pick list and second are multi-select pick list. So in simple pick list allow users to select only one value from a list. But in multi-select pick list, you can select multiple values from a pick list, means a drop-down menu. So at this time I'm just going to because I need to select country. So a person or not belongs to different countries, so I need to use simple pick list. So just click on simple pick list and click next. So after clicking next, it asks you to the field level. So I'm going to use choose country. So automatically a field name is available here, and you see that here there are two radio buttons are available. Use global pick list value set or enter a value with each value separated with a new line. So at this time I am going to use enter each value separated with each line. Means that, when you are creating any fields using pick list data type and you are using enter a value with each value separated by new line, means you have to enter this value again and again if you are going to create other fields. But when we use global pick list value, it means that we just create a resource file as a pick list value globally, and you can use that fields in different format. Like here, if you have any big list, just click on here and select from that. Choose set city, set city, set one, state, set one, like this. I will show you both example. So first I am going to select enter the value with each value separated by new line. So just give different countries name here, India, then US, then UK, and then just leave three countries name here, and just here is the description and help text. If you want to give any description or help text, you can enter here. And I am going to make this field required because country is required. So just check this here and click on next, and clicking next here, and our quick list value is ready as a select country name in teachers object. So for that we just come here and click on teacher, and you will see that fields here available. When you are going to create new teacher value, you will get that easily here. And it's taking time to appear here because my network is little bit slow, and I don't know, Geo is not working fine since few days, since last 10 days. I think Geo is very poorly working. So just click on teacher here, and here just click on new. You will you will see one new field which is choose country, and this is the pick list here: India, US, and UK. You can choose any value from here. So in simple pick list we can select only one value, we can't select two values. So this is the normal pick list value. Now I will tell you how to use global pick list value. So for the global pick list value, first we need to create a resource global pick list value. So just click on quick find box and set pick list, type pick list, and in object and fields just click on pick list value set for creating global pick list value, so that we can use these fields in different object or different field when we are going to create any fields. And I'm going to create new pick list value set, and the name of this pick list is as a choose a state, choose a state. So this is the name of our pick list value, and in the value we are going to enter different state of different countries. Like for India we use Bihar, Delhi, and for US we use New York, and for the UK select anything, select Patna for Bihar also. So this is the global pick list value, and for UK you can use England. So this is all the value, and just click on save. So our pick list value is ready to use. So I am going to create another fields for teacher object to choose a state when you select country. So again just type on quick find box value teacher 1, and I'm going to create new fields which is choose a state, because choose country is already created here. So as you know that when we know to create fields, just click on new, and we will get we will have to select a pick list data type, because no one belongs to different state. Yeah, we can belong in exception case, but basically it belongs to a single state. So just use single pick list value and simple pick list value, and just click on next. Our field value should be choose state, and I'm using global pick list values at this time. So just click on here and select which we created right now, a value set. So choose a state, and we don't have to do anything, it's automatically selected. And I'm also making this field required, and just click on next. And field level security, everything is selected and visible. So I'm just going to save it. And now you will find, when we come to the teacher object, we will find a new field saying that choose state also. Just take a few minute times to reflect back. So just refresh it, Okay, you will find that fields. So let's see that here. So we find choose a country and choose a state. Both are available here. In state fields, in the Bihar, Delhi, New York, Patna, England, and in country field, India, UK, and US. So that now I am going to tell you about one interesting thing. So means when we are selecting here India in country field, when we select country as a India, although there are coming every state from different countries like for Bihar, Delhi for India, New York from in UK, US, and England from UK. Everything is coming, but I want to do that. When I select country as a India, only Indian state are coming in state section. When I select is here England, US, so only England should be coming to the state field. When I select here as a UK, only England should be coming the state field. If I select India here, only Indian state should be coming Indian state. For that, we have an interesting concept is known as field dependency. In field dependency. So in field dependency, there are two types of fields. One is controlling field and one is dependent field. So, what is controlling field? If you ask what is controlling field and what is dependent field, the fields that derive the filtering is called controlling field. Means on the basis we are filtering any object, any fields is known as controlling field, and the field has its value filtered is known as dependent field. So there are limitation also in fields dependency means the standard and custom checkbox and pick list with at least one or less than 300 value can be controlled and field less than 300, and custom picklist and multi-select picklist can be independent field. This is the certification question. Definitely one or two question comes from the picklist or field dependency. So you need to be carefully prepared for that. So for creating field dependency, just come to the our object manager also, and you will see that when we in the field and relationship, there is a new section in right hand side field dependency. So just click on field dependency section and create here new field dependency. So what should be the name of field? Yeah, see here. This is the controlling field and dependent field. So for controlling field, we need to select that the fields that derive filtering. So in controlling field, should we choose country? In country basis, we are filtering, not state. So in controlling field should be country, and in dependent field because state is dependent on country. So in dependent field, choose state. So this is our dependency, and just click on continue. Then you have to choose a state for different countries. Like for Indian state, what do you want to say? For Indian country, I want to that Bihar, Delhi, and Patna should be appear in the state section. For yes, only New York should be appear in the state section, and for UK, England should be appear in the state section. Or if you want to include, just click on here include value. So everything is included, and if you want to preview that, you can preview here also, but I am just going to save that and previewing in the real time. So just going to save this. So our dependency is created, one dependency, and just come to our application, and once refresh it, and then I am going to create one teacher fields here, going to enter some records, and we will see that dependencies appear or not. So here, see that we can't enter a state without selecting country because field dependency is already applied. So teacher name, I'm going to put Praveen Mishra, teacher name, and teacher email praveen@gmail.com, and I'm going to select country because you said we see that here we can't select a state without selecting country because field dependency is applied, and a state should only appear when we select any countries. On the basis appears state should be appear. So I'm just going to select country as India. So see that here only Indian state are coming: Bihar, Delhi, Patna. So just select Delhi, it is a state, and save and new. So I am going to create one other field also. So KC as a teacher name, kc@gmail.com, and here I am selecting country as US. So only US state will appear here, and there is only one state, that's why it's automatically selected. So New York is here, and just I'm going to save. So you will understand in this chapter about field dependency and pick list and multi-select pick list. Oh, I forget about that, the telling about multi-select pick list. So I'm just going to give one example about multi-select pick list also. So just click on here, and I want to give hobby of the teacher, or teacher subject, which subject they teach. So I'm just going to select here multi-select pick list, and just click on next. Yeah, it's very easy here, and the field name should be teacher teacher subject teacher subject. And interesting value, you can use global place value, you already see that how to create, and enter value with each value. I am just going to here math, science, Hindi, all this subject is entered here, and visible line should be 4, and just click on next. So everything is visible here, just click on again next and save it. So our new field is available here, teacher subject here. So just click on and refresh it here, and I'm going to enter teacher subject, one teacher record. So, and we can just edit from here also. Here edit option is available, just click on here edit, and see this is the multi-select pick list. Here you can select multiple value from the list and enter here. Like I want to select math and science both. So just use control plus and click, and just click here to be selected. So our math science is selected, and just save it here. So teachers science and mathematics, which is separated by column. So this is the example of multi-select pick list. So this is all about pick list value. And if you want to go through Trailhead module, I will leave the link in the description. You will check that, and through that you can learn more about pick list also. So stay tuned, and this is all about pick list. And in the next video I will try to explain about relationship concepts, which is also very important for the PD1 exam. And definitely multiple questions came in from relationships and the pick list data type, which is mandatory. So stay tuned for more videos, and just keep sharing my videos, like, subscribe. Thank you everyone.